Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make lemon blueberry muffins. If you see my other video, should be right here, I made blueberry muffins. These are lemon blueberry, very different. So let's start. We're gonna use a medium-sized bowl. We're gonna add baking soda, baking powder, salt, and flour. We're gonna whisk that together and set it aside. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 425. Now I'm going to cream my butter and honey. And now we're gonna add the butter. Now we're going to mix it on high speed for about 3 minutes. Now, after cream for about 3 minutes, we're gonna add lemon zest. And all the measurements are going to be in the description. And we're gonna beat it on medium for 1 minute. Now we're going to add sour cream, our eggs, and vanilla. Now we're gonna beat this on medium for 1 minute. Now our mixture is creamy. We're gonna add the dry ingredients. We're going to add lemon juice. Our milk. And then we're going to put it on low until it's well combined. Now that it's well combined, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna fold in our blueberries. Now we're gonna add our blueberries, and we're gonna fold them in. Now we're gonna put these muffins in the oven. Had our oven at 425. Now we're going to reduce the heat to 350. Start, and we're gonna leave that for 18 to 19 minutes. Our timer went off. They were in here for about 19 minutes. We have to let them cool off for 5 minutes so it doesn't burn it up. Now my taste tester Joshua, taste it. See how this muffin tastes. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much. You can watch my other video. He also tasted my blueberry muffins. Please like and subscribe. See you later.